all of the sounds from Toxic Island. Remember the contest Toxic Island that we make the app island out of? I never had everything. Those were the ones that came. Verkanine, Monster Voice, Thurbus, Strings, a Martiamine, Drums, Roller, Extreme Voice, Kingox, Chipmunk Voice, Flash Toger, Robot Voice, Whoop Guitar, Beastie, Bass, Wacky, Wind, Nicotech, the little bell on the drums that goes, I don't know what it's called. Stumpack, the drum that goes. I don't know any parts of the drum. Pranajabi, Pippa. It's hard to say it.